Credit check mystery. Who's pulling your score's strings? Ever checked your credit score and wondered who exactly is keeping track of all this financial data? It can feel a bit mysterious, right? This complex web of information seems to follow you around, silently impacting your ability to borrow money or rent an apartment. But behind the scenes, there are real players with specific roles. Today, we're diving deep into one of those players, Borrowell. You might know them for providing free credit reports in Canada. But the question is, who does Borrowell report to? Are they the ones tracking your credit score? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. Borrowell, the credit report superhero, or not? Let's be clear, Borrowell isn't a credit bureau themselves. They don't hold onto your credit history or calculate your score. Instead, think of them as a bridge between you and the real credit bureaus, the silent watchers of your financial world. In Canada, the big cheese is Equifax Canada. Borrowell partners with Equifax to give you easy access to your credit report. They act as a middleman, fetching your report from Equifax and presenting it in a user-friendly format. It's like having a personal credit report translator. But remember, Borrowell isn't editing or changing anything, they're simply the messenger. So, where does your credit score live? Now that we know Borrowell isn't the final say, let's meet the real power players, the credit bureaus. Equifax is one of the major credit bureaus in Canada, along with TransUnion and Experian. These bureaus collect information about your borrowing habits from lenders and creditors, like banks and credit card companies. They then use complex algorithms to analyze this data and generate your credit score. Why does this matter? Understanding who's behind the curtain is important. It empowers you to take control of your credit health. Here's why. Multiple bureaus, multiple scores, there can be slight variations in your score depending on which credit bureau a lender checks. So, while Borrowell shows your Equifax report, it's wise to check your reports with other bureaus as well. Dispute power. If you find errors in your credit report, knowing which bureau holds the information is crucial. You can directly dispute those errors with the specific bureau to get them corrected. Borrowell can't fix mistakes in your report, they can only point you in the right direction. Building a better score. Since credit bureaus use your borrowing habits to calculate your score, understanding their reporting process can help you make informed financial decisions. Paying bills on time and managing credit responsibly all contribute to a healthy score. Borrowell, a tool, not the authority. Borrowell is a fantastic tool for easily accessing your credit report and monitoring your credit health. But remember, they're not the ones calculating your score or holding onto your entire credit history. That power lies with the credit bureaus. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.